Dear scholars, I welcome you all to this video. In this video, I am going to share with you the syllabus and guest paper for UG 6th semester generic elective course Sociology, Social Problems. So let's get started. BA 6th semester generic elective for non-sociology students. Code of this subject is SOC 620G. And the title is Sociology, Social Problems. Credit 6, Theory 4, Tutorial 2. Maximum marks for theory portion 60, minimum marks 24. Maximum marks for tutorial portion is 30, minimum marks is 12. Course objectives. The course is designed to acquaint the learners with the concept of social problems and the related issues. In terms of its content, the course provides a broad description about the concept, characteristics, causes, and consequences of social problems. The course focuses on the major social issues and problems challenging the contemporary societies. The course seeks to enable the learners to conceptualize the term social problem and explore its possible causes and consequences. Understand the sociological counters of the various burgeoning problems in society such as unemployment, poverty, corruption, etc. Develop the fundamental awareness about the major social problems, their fallouts, and the remedial measures. Learning outcomes. After finishing the course, the students shall possess a very good understanding of the concept of social problem and how the social problems actually arrest the socio-economic development in the society. The students shall be particularly able to relate the emerging social concerns in their day-to-day lives, their causes and consequences. Now let us discuss the syllabus in detail. So you have 4 units. Now let us discuss each unit in detail. Unit first is Introduction about social problems. And in this unit you have to study A. Concept and causes of social problems. B. Types of social problems. C. Sociological implications. Unit second is Unemployment, and in this unit you have to study A. Concept of unemployment. B. Causes and consequences of unemployment. C. Policies and programs related to eradication of unemployment. Unit third is Poverty, and in this unit you have to study A. Concept and types of poverty. Causes. B. Causes and consequences of poverty. C. Poverty alleviation programs. Unit 4 is Corruption, and in this unit you have to study A. Nature and concept of corruption. B. Causes and consequences of corruption. C. Remedies and solutions to the problem of corruption. Tutorials, 2 credits. Maximum marks for tutorial portion 30, minimum marks 12. And in this portion, that is tutorials, you have either to perform a project work or presentation or debates or term papers. In tutorial first, you have A. Implications of social problems. B. Corruption and red tapeism. C. How to tackle unemployment. Tutorial second, project work presentation on A. Poverty in Jammu and Kashmir. B. Unemployment in Kashmir. C. Emerging social problems in Jammu and Kashmir. Now references. The one among these is Social Problems in India by Ram Ahuja, published in 2014 by Rawat Publications, Jaipur. Now let's discuss the model question paper, or we can say the guest paper for UG 6th semester generic elective course Social Problems, University of Kashmir. So let us start. BG 6th semester Sociology, Social Problems. Time allowed 2 hours. Maximum marks 90, minimum marks 36. Note: attempt all questions from section A and B and only 2 questions from section C. Section A, short answer type questions to be answered in about 20 words. 8 into 4 is equal to 32 marks. Question number 1, write 3 characteristics of social problems. Question number 2, define cultural lag approach to the study of social problems. Question number 3, what is the technological unemployment? Question number 4, define vocational unfitness. Question number 5, what do you understand by personal disorganization? Question number 6, highlight 3 main causes of social disorganization. Question number 7, what is meant by bribery? Question number 8, write 3 causes of underemployment. Section B, medium answer type questions to be answered in about 150 words. 4 into 8 is equal to 32 marks. Question number 9, discuss the main features of National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, or describe value conflict approach to the study of social problems. Question number 10, highlight the difference between frictional unemployment and disguised unemployment, or write a note on different measures adopted to combat corruption in India. Question number 11, what is relative poverty? Elaborate the major causes of poverty in India. Define white collar, name its features. Question number 12, write a brief note on political consequences of poverty in India, or describe social and cultural causes of corruption in India. Section C, long answer type questions to be answered in about 300 words. 2 into 13 is equal to 26 marks. Question number 13, corruption is the use of public office for private gains. Discuss. Question number 14, enumerate and analyze the social implications of poverty. Question number 15, discuss drug addiction as social problem. Question number 16, write a detailed note on different measures introduced by Government of India to eradicate poverty. To be continued, more to come. That's all. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications of my latest uploads.